My name is Rick Neill from Matrix North American Construction. We're owned by a parent company, Matrix Service Company out of Tulsa. Our group is a union contractor, so we use TapRoots right now for all recordable injuries and all high-risk events, all potential risks. So we don't have a lot of TapRoots done by individuals, which sometimes makes it hard for the individuals to be very good at doing the TapRoots. So what we've come up with is a couple things. One, at the field level, when we do a TapRoot to get transparency and buy-in at the craft level, we literally build a SnapCharT right in the trailer. We bring all the individuals involved in the incident in, and they build the SnapCharT for us. So what that does is that we get the buy-in from them. They realize it's not a headhunting type of activity, that it's actually transparent, and we're trying to get information to eliminate the incident from occurring. And we bring them back in. We bring them in twice. What we found is when we bring individuals in, the SnapCharT keeps changing every time we bring somebody in. So when we bring everybody back in one last time, we get consensus on the SnapCharT. At the next level up, so we train all of our project managers in TapRooot and all of our safety professionals, and that includes the president of our company, our division managers, our VPs, everybody goes through it. So at the next level up, where we have a certified trainer in our company that has only done 2 TapRoots. So he trains, but he doesn't get a lot of experience. So we put 2 things in place to help people who don't do a lot of TapRoots get better at them. We developed a readiness checklist that has the core concepts that they need to focus on, and then we have a readiness review, much like one of the companies talk about, where every time we do a TapRoot, we have a team that gets on a call to help critique it and provide focus. And then the last thing we do at the higher level to get engagement with our leadership, our operations leadership, is they are a part of the investigation. It's a requirement, and they have to sign off on all the TapRoots. So our VPs have sign-off responsibility for any TapRoot that occurs in their division. That's all we have. Thank you.